you want to see how I did this quick and easy brown smoky eye, then keep on watching. First off, you want to start with a good base. So for eyeshadow primer today, I'm going to be using a concealer. This concealer is full coverage and it's super creamy. So I'm going to use that on my lids, and I'm going to buff that using a buffing brush. I'm making sure to blend everything in together seamless, so there is no form of patches or concealer patches, and we want to make sure that we have a good solid base before layering any form of eyeshadow product. And next, I'm going to use eyeshadow, and I'm using this one from the Mood Beauties, the Arisha palette, and I'm going to be taking the deepest brown shade. So I'm going to apply that on my lids to give me a good brown base for my eyeshadow. I'm going to press it into my skin and also blend it in together, because we want to make sure that we're having a good solid brown base before we go on with the next product. And next, I'm going to tap into the next brown shade, the closest brown shade, and I'm going to lightly blend that on the edges of the first brown product I placed, blending it towards my crease, but I'm not bringing it up above my crease to where my brows are, keeping it within my crease area. And I'm going to blend that lightly because I don't want to spread the product in or spread the eyeshadow around my eye, because I want it to give my eye a really subtle base without making it look too pronounced, but yet looking really cute and simple. This is the simplest eye look you can achieve, or anyone can do, the simplest smoky eye anyone can do. And when I'm done doing that, I'm also going to go back in with the brown shade we used earlier, and I'm going to lightly press that into the first coat of eyeshadow we placed earlier before, just to give us more definition of the brown look. So this is more about going back into the former product you use, just to give your eye look base a solid coat, or just to coat the eye look you applied before, and also blending everything together. And you can leave your eyeshadow this way if you're satisfied with the color payoff you got from this, but I really want that warm toned brown look. I didn't want it to give me more like a cool neutral. If you're good with this one that you have, is fine by you. So I went in with another eyeshadow product from the Focalor brand, and I'm using the warmest brown eyeshadow in there, and I'm going to use it to coat on the eyeshadow, on the brown eyeshadow we have on my eyelid space. And guys, you can see how my eyes are looking, because I love the warm toned brown eyeshadow look, and this is just a good cute smoky eye look that I'm loving and I love. So I went back in with the shimmer shade to put in my inner corner, and I'm going to blend it into the brown eyeshadow. Guys, you can leave it without putting the inner corners of the eyeshadow, but for me, I wanted my eyes to pop and to open up a bit more, so I went back into using the inner corner eyeshadow or inner corner highlights. And now we're done with our crease and our lid space. I'm going to use a mascara to coat on my lashes. And guys, you know I don't have lashes, I'm not gifted in that area. This part you can decide to use your artificial false lashes, which I later used or fixed on my natural lashes. And I'm also going to use a blue liner to line my waterline area. Now you can use any eyeliner pencil according to the one you prefer, but I wanted the blue liner just to open up my eyes a bit more, because I didn't want it to give me more smoky in-depth eye look, but I still wanted a pop of color on my waterline. So I also went back in with the brown shade to diffuse the blue liner we applied on our waterline. I used the exact same brown eyeshadow we used for the lid space. And guys, this is the finished look. You can go on ahead to use your mascara to coat your lower lashes. And guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned one or two. This is one of the simplest brown smoky eye look to achieve ever. Let me know if you love this tutorial and if you love this eye look, and if you like to see more simple eyeshadow look or simple smoky eye looks colors, let me know in the comment section down below as well. And hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed already. Make sure to turn on your post notification and check out my other videos to stay connected. Bye guys.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me